I want to share with you a little story about my favorite pet ever, Brody. He was an Australian Shepherd, and we had him for 14 years. He was a huge blessing to our family. You're seeing his portrait over my shoulder, and I was so thankful when we um, had to put him down about a year ago that I had done this portrait several years before. I'm doing a pet portrait workshop, and I'm thinking that you may have a pet that's been a huge part of your family and hopefully still is. And I just have found such joy in having this portrait. And I thought you might enjoy doing one of your favorite pet. There's a link below about the pet portrait workshop that I'm doing in Bryan, Texas, about the middle of August. There's still time to sign up, and we still have some seats available. I'm DK Richardson. I hope you'll join me for the workshop.